Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Chess Association kala sedang ka First Meghalaya Invitation FIDE Chess Tournament arajar arpulai ha kalai terig uyayong ha Sri Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture Shillong. Ya kani kalampong Ïalehkai basan sngi lenter lapli do menteri ka Sorkar Jilla uba Alexander Lalu Hek ha kabalaya don nang Joint Secretary ka Jilla ugunan ka DB IFS kumjo President ka MCA uba KM Warjri General Secretary ba Krakupar Pajat kirkhat kani ka sinjok kinong Ïalehkai bat kiwei ha kani kalampong lawan yeshim benta di kinong Ïalehkai kaleng ka than chatay lami ngi kanthop ya ka Meghalaya ba lapan kreru yagi khusna ba Shilak san pojar na kabenta kinong job haba ajin kan na kani ka singi pleo ba hek loong ba ka Jingïalehkai chess kalong ka ba don Burom bat ka ba yesrim bat ka Jingïalehkai golf namar kinong Ïalehkai kidam laki clear haba ki Ïalehkai ulaban rap da ka baong wat lang adon jing tip khandiat yaki wei ki Jingïalehkai kum ka football badminton golf bat ki wei Hynrei ngam don jing tip ya ka Rukom Ïalehkai chess ya kani kalampong an pon kot ya ka ha ka pratrik uyayong
Somebody told me that there are two games in the world. They are very humble game. One is golf and another is a chess game. Why we call the humble game, you know? When I'm a golfer, I'm used to playing golf. When we are playing golf, we always bow down our head. The chess also the same thing. When you are playing chess, always your head is down. So that's why we call the gentleman game. The golfers, the chess players are called the gentleman people. So that's why we have been taught to be humble because our head always bowed down when we are concentrating in our game. So, you know, the beauty of concentrating in anything is like a self-awareness. What is a self-awareness? Self-awareness always determines our attitude, whether it leads you to the altitudes or it takes you to destitutes. That is the line what we are doing every day when we are having our self-awareness. That is important in life. So the chess game is a very concentrating game. I don't know the A, B, C, D of the chess game. You talk to me any other game. Talk football, badminton, you talk basketball, talk golf, you talk anything. At least something I know, the A, B, C, D of the game. But chess really I'm zero. Today is just like an eye-opener to see how the seat arrangement have been made, how they organize for the players who are going to be take part in this competition. So I wish all the best to all of you. And I hope tomorrow you will not be only a player playing the winners from the Shillong. You will not be only for the national level. We look to see you to be part. You will be a player of the international level.
And it is my pleasure to announce that Meghalaya Chess Association has been allotted to host an international Grandmaster tournament. Actually, it is in next year, in the beginning of next year, but we'll try to shift after the exams of the kids from the Northeast, those who are in school and colleges. So there we'll have an international Grandmaster, or mostly of the Grandmaster from FIDE, they'll be here. So for that also, it will be a great boost to the Northeast. Yeah, I am the president from Meghalaya, so mostly I would prefer, but I have to think about the Northeast as a whole. Because if Northeast prosper, then even we also, we can feel proud about it. So we are doing our best, and very soon, like I'm also the chairman of Northeast, so very soon we are having another Northeast tournament that will be in Arunachal. So kindly all the players, they should be there. We'll try our best because I think they will be going to hold it very soon.